One of the most important and significant religious festivals in the Hindu religion is Chhat Puja. Following the festival of lights and Bhai Dooj, Chhat Puja is celebrated to worship the Lord Sun and Chhati Maiya. It is celebrated on the sixth day after Diwali on the lunar month of Kartik Mas in the Hindu calendar Vikram Samvat. Unlike the major festivals celebrated in India, Chhat Puja is celebrated across a span of 4 days and primarily within the boundaries of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and in the Madhesh region of Nepal. There are many significant reasons and beliefs behind the celebration of this auspicious festival. As per Hindu mythology, Chhati Mata is believed to be the Manas Putri of Lord Brahma and the sister of Lord Sun. It is believed that Chhati Mata gives blessings of giving birth to the children to the childless parents. According to some legends, Chhati Mata is an incarnation of one of the forms of goddess Durga, Devi Katyayani, worshipped on the sixth day of the Navratri. The legends state that during the creation of the world, Lord Brahma divided himself into 2 parts, one of male and the another one of female. The part which he divided into female became Mother Nature, and she further divided herself into 6 parts, out of which the last part was full of motherly love for all the human beings and hence was called as Shashti or Chhati. As the Chhati Maiya is also worshipped for the long life of the children, it is also believed that after the war of Mahabharat, the child born in the womb of Abhimanyu's wife Uttara was killed, following which Lord Krishna asked her to keep Chhat Puja Vrat to save him. There are several legends that explain in detail the origin of Chhat Puja. It is also said that in ancient times, Draupadi and the Pandavas of Hastinapur used to celebrate Chhat in order to solve their issues and gain their lost kingdom again. A few mantras from the Rig Veda are chanted by the worshippers while offering prayers to the sun. According to another legend, Chhat Puja was first performed by Karna, who is considered to be an offspring of Lord Sun and Kunti. He ruled over the Angadesh during the age of Mahabharat, which is now known as Bhagalpur in Bihar. Some people also believe that in the Mahabharat, Chhat Puja was performed by Kunti after she escaped with her 5 sons from Lakshagriha, the palace which was set to fire to kill the Pandavas and their mother Kunti. This festival is celebrated to worship the sun and his wife Usha to show gratitude, thank them, and thereby seek their blessings. Chhat Puja is native to the Indian subcontinent and has evidence of existence in the ancient Vedas. The festival's significance in Indian culture is also rooted around Lord Rama and Mata Sita, who offered their prayers to the sun after their return from 14 years of exile to the kingdom of Ayodhya. Hence, she was also blessed with Love and Kush as their sons. The god of light, life force, and energy is worshipped in order to promote well-being, development, and the prosperity of human beings. Devotees express their gratitude towards Lord Surya and perform important rituals over a span of 4 days. Chhat Puja is also claimed to be one of the most eco-friendly religious festivals. This year, Chhat Puja is celebrated on 10th of November. May this Chhat lighten up the lives of everyone with success and good fortune. And on this festival of joy, I wish everyone a very happy Chhat Puja and a great year ahead.
અને ગુજરાતની યુટ્યુબ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી ક્લિક કરો બેલ આઇકન અને મેળવો વિશ્વભરના ન્યૂઝ અપડેટ.